Another video. In this video I'll show you how to install and log into Titan Excel add-in. So without a further ado, what you want to do is obviously go to your Excel, and then what you'll find is under Insert, the tab Insert, you'll have Store. If you go to Store, what you will need to do is type the word Form Titan, all one word, and here you will find that we've got our add-in here into the Office store. All you need to do is click Add, Continue, and voila, that's it, your add-in is there. And now it's loaded like this. You'll see it on the top right hand side, and you can click Got it. When you click on it, this is what the login screen will come up. Now there are a few ways of logging in, but it all depends on how you log into your formtitan.com login. So just to sort of recap here, that if you go, let's say, formtitan.com, right now for me, the way I log into this is, it can be either, I suppose. I have a login set up like this, which I can log into if I want. I can also log in via Salesforce also. So whichever way you log into Form Titan is exactly the way you need to log in here. So for me, I don't log in via Salesforce. I'll log in using my email and password. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to chuck that in here, get this over here, sign in, and that's it, you're in. And once you're in, you will see you've got tons of different, you may have few accounts associated. So pick the one that's your main account, and then go ahead and sign in. And then once you're in, we may give you the option to verify your token to make sure that we're authenticated with Salesforce. In that instance, all you have to do is just remember what your login details are. Just simply go ahead and add them like this, and then go to login. And once you're authenticated, you will receive a message like this, and now you can go ahead and start to work with the Excel add-in. And that's it. That's all for this video.